Here we have the EROS A10 Apex hair dryer styling system, and this is by Fanttik. It does really pretty. The set comes with an arm here, and then your concentrator. It is not magnetic though. A left and right air wrap, and then 2 large styling brushes. So I'm just gonna, and it also comes with a bag, a travel storage bag, which I always appreciate. I'm gonna show you the noise and power level as best I can. So this is gonna be on high heat, high power. This is your cold shot button. And so I'm gonna give you a little demo here. So that is the blow drying. So I would say the power is not very strong and the heat is not real good either. I'm gonna try the air wrap for you. This is gonna be going in this direction. So it always takes me a minute to think of when the air wrap. Okay, let's give it a try. It does create pretty nice curls. So as you can see, it does create nice curls, even with a little bit lower power and the lower heat. I think it did a nice job with the air wrap. Overall, this is really pretty. I do wish it had magnetic, like a concentrator at this price point. It has a nice heavy cord, no cord keeper. And if you have real thick hair or need a lot of power and heat, this is probably not gonna work for you. If you have finer hair, this is probably gonna be excellent for you.